Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh, this feels so good. Today's video is obviously gonna be a try on haul. I went to Marshall's today and I was acting all bougie because I picked up a lot of stuff. And let me tell you, everything costs $180. So I'm not gonna talk your heads off. I'm just gonna get into the try on haul, okay?
Hey guys, so I decided to do a voiceover because I like hearing myself talk. These shorts are super pretty and they're super stretchy. They're super high rise jean shorts, say that 5 times fast, and they're in a size 7. They are in the acid wash type of denim style and they are $14.99. This top I got in a size large and it was $7.99 in price. Now I got the large because of the material. It's like a spandexy type of material, and I didn't want it to fit too tightly on my body because, as you can see, I got the girls and the girls are popping a little bit too much, to be honest. Yeah, but yeah, I like how it fits. Don't mind the back rows. I'm working on that, okay? This sweater was actually from Burlington, so it was not from Marshall's, and it is $8.99. I decided to incorporate it in this try-on haul because it's super cute, and it's only $8.99, so it's cheap on sale. These shorts are everything. I love these shorts. They're super high-rise shorts, and they are in a size 7, and all of my shorts are $14.99. Guys, I honestly wasn't sure how I felt about this top, to be honest. Like, can we just be honest? The girls be getting in the way sometimes. All of my girls with the big boobs, like, y'all already know what's up. Sometimes things look differently on girls with boobs than it does on girls with little boobs. So, I wasn't sure how I felt about this top, but I think it still looks cute. Okay, these shorts are everything. I wore them today. They were so comfortable. I like my shorts like fitting a little bit looser. I don't like really, really tight shorts, that be giving you wedgies in the wrong area. Anyway, all of my shorts are in a size 7 and they're all $14.99. They're all super high rise and they're all stretchy, which is a plus. This top was actually $5.99 and that's why I got it because it was $5.99. And again, it's in a size large. With tops that don't show off my boobs, I tend to get a larger size just to give me a little bit more room. Ladies and gentlemen, do not judge me for what you're about to see, okay? I just really like this outfit. Let's get into some Pink Floyd. I actually Googled who Pink Floyd were because I wasn't sure and I wanted to know what the heck I was wearing. This was $12.99 and it's in a size medium. I love the fit of it. It's very relaxed and it hides the boobies. Sometimes I like hiding the boobies. I wore this outfit today and I had like my big hoops with it and it looks so freaking cute. Let's get into the rundown on who Pink Floyd were. Or are. I don't know much about them, to be honest, but they were a rock band from London, England, and they were making music from like 1965 all the way to like 2014, which is a crazy long time. I don't really care for their music, but they do have a very, very big fan base. Pink Floyd, everybody. So this top is a blush pink top that retails for $5.99 and it's in a size large like many of my other tops that I bought are. I like this top. It's not restrictive, but it is form-fitting. I just don't like the bra that I wore with that top. So I got my Savage X Fenty in the mail and I was so excited to try it on because it's the panty and bralette type of one, and it just didn't hit how it was supposed to hit in that top. But it does look cute by itself though. And I bought it like a whole bunch of other bras. I should have worn one. This top, let me tell y'all about this top. So this top retails for $6.99, and I bought it in a size large, but I should have gone with a medium or small, because you know how something looks very nice on a hanger and then you try it on and it looks like this. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about this top. I don't feel like it's hitting how it's supposed to hit. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm really just not feeling this top right now. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this top. I don't know why I keep trying to dance, y'all. These shorts are so cute. I wanted shorts like these for a long time because they're very classy type of shorts, not short shorts, and they're like just dressy shorts. They're in a size medium, and the price tag is $12.99. I like how this shorts look. It's a very nice material, and I'm gonna pair it with a neon green top, like tank top, and it's in a size medium, and the price tag is $5.99. I love how this set looks. Now when you walk with these shorts, you know how sometimes like the shorts right up in the front, these don't do that, which is always a plus. And it's perfect for summer because it's very breathable and it makes the booty look fat. If you don't have a tube top in your closet, you need to go get one ASAP, because these are so freaking cute. I got it in a blush pink and a black. They're in a size medium, and the price is $5.99. These pants, I got them because they're stretchy, they're size small, and they retail for $19.99. Um, yeah, they fit really really nicely, but I don't know how I feel about it. I like it. It's cute and it makes the booty look, fat. But I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of feel like you could only get away with it if you wear like a crop top or like a tube top type of deal. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think though. I think every girl should have a tube top in their closet, to be honest, because it just spices up any outfit. Like, just makes it look so chic and so pretty. Look at me trying to suck in my stomach and give y'all angles. Work, girl. Yeah, I just feel like you should have a tube top in your closet. If you don't have one, you need to get one for real. I'm not playing. Like, it looks so cute. I forgot to include the price tag in this one, but I'm just going to tell you what it is anyway. It retails for $9.99. It's in a size medium. It came in a set of two, so I got the black and the blush pink. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex, meaning that it's stretchy and it's form-fitting, but it's not restrictive. I really like this top. I showed you guys how I would wear it out of the pants, but more than likely I would wear it inside. But y'all peep the bra change though, right? This is Savage X Fenty. If you're thinking about getting Savage X Fenty, please do, because I jumped for a minute straight in this bra and it did not move. Like, my boobies stayed in place, and it does come with straps, okay? So this is a size small, and I really like these pants a lot. They retail for $12.99, and it's just very nice. The material is very soft. I like it. I saw this top on a hanger. It's in a size small and it retails for $9.99. And I figured, yo, this is gonna look so bomb with this pants, but it don't. Okay, it just don't do it for me. Like, there's no shape to it. Like, it's not flattering to me, and I probably will never wear this top again. It's probably gonna go to Goodwill, or maybe I'll give it to like somebody. I don't know, but yeah, I don't really care for it.
Okay, y'all, that's it for the try on haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and all of those items that I showed you were on sale. That's why I love Marshalls. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.